Bali Safari. We had so much fun at the Bali Zoo that today we're at the Bali Safari Park. And our kids are so excited. It'll be a great day.
Grace, where are we going? Giraffe in the water park. Wow.
You want to try, Grace? You want to hit it? All right, you did it.
I've seen 8 animals already.
What is there?
Turtles. See, there's one swimming right there, one right there, one. A turtle lake.
Really? Where?
One
Inside?
right there, one right there.
Wow, that's fun. These are awesome.
Yeah, that's a big spider. Look at my, compared to my
He's gonna
shoe.
kill it.
Yeah, that big. Oh, oh.
It's okay, yeah?
Oh, that is good. Thanks. Whoa, look at all those fishies. Oh, that is a big guy.
There's tons of them, and then there's a giant guy that's swimming. That guy. Look how big this guy is.
Oh, this guy.
Yeah, there's 2. And then there's one back there. I can't see. So big.
That's not cool. What kind of fish is that? That is a top.
That is a genus.
Oh, yeah. Look at the leopard in the tree right there.
So many.
This kind is critically endangered. It's on the red list. Oh my gosh, it's almost extinct. It's crazy. Oh, and it lives in Indonesia.
See how fancy their bathrooms are. Yeah. Isn't that fun? What a great place.
I'm sitting on the panda bear.
Wow,
On his lap.
I love it. We're going to the animal show, Grace. This is pretty. Oh, why are you itching?
Aren't they pretty, Grace?
Oh, there's a macaw. Oh, there's blue macaws. Red and green. Oh, here's the animal show.
Just like this.
Oh, cute.
Dengan satu ini, ukurannya sama seperti marmut, namun tidak selucu mereka. Ukurannya sama seperti marmut, lucu mereka disembah. Maupun sama pemeran lainnya. Maya. Hi. Here we have Maya by Toucan friends. So this bird can be found in South of America.
Yeah.
And you know what? Here, the audience. Say hello, good morning, sir. How are you? Good. Okay, come on, Maya. Nice. Okay, jump. Okay, jump again, Maya. It's alright, it's alright. So no, don't bet someone. Hey, Maya, remember, don't bet someone here again, right? I mean, don't kiss anybody here again. Keep moving, Maya. Oh, this is like you, sir. Oh, come on, Maya. One more time, say like you, Maya. Say like you, one more time. So these birds are not really good at flying, so usually they will flap their wings so much to travel. Right, everyone, thank you so much, Maya. Ian, thank you so much, Maya. How does it feel? Is it good? Good? Is it hurt? No? Right, everyone, thank you so much for our participant here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So cool. His beak was right in my
Ladies
nose.
and gentlemen,
That was
now
awesome,
Maya.
huh?
Indonesia has so many species of
It got on
birds,
my arms. I love
and
that.
one of them under this wing. Hello, good morning. How are you? Good? Right. Right. Okay. And for your own safety, please don't look at the bird. Because he bit someone last night. It's okay for you? Just don't look at the bird. You got it? Right. Are you here? Oh. 2 and 3. Nice. Okay, move your hand to the right side. Wow, beautiful. Look at this. You can see the bird little bit. Little bit. You can see the bird. Yeah, look at it. Wow, it's a big ride. How does it feel?
Beautiful. It's amazing.
You like it?
Yeah.
Nice, thank you. So if you like it, so you can hold this bird until the end of this presentation. 2 hours. Is it okay for you? Thank you so much. I'm joking, everyone. Thank you so much for our participants. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please welcome to the other members of Homeless Family onto the stage.
It was awesome. Did Mama hold one too?
Take them out and fly out. Dari burung kebanggaan. Right, this is the last one. And catch it and catch it. Let it. Who knows the name of this animal? Yes, you're right. Orangutan. Or the forest man. Everyone, let me give you a closer look at our beautiful orangutan, island of Indonesia. Hello, Bruno. Here's with a one impossible Tom. And how about his foot?
Yeah.
This is about 4 years old and she's come from Borneo Island of Indonesia. Wow, she's very strong, sangat kuat.
Holy moly.
Everyone say, please give support for Cherry here. Come on, Cherry. You can do it, Cherry. Bisa beri semangat pada Cherry di sini ya. Right. Sitting down or smash the object onto the ground to get a coconut juice. Hey, please knock the coconut onto the ground. Right. More harder. Lebih keras. More harder. Nice. She did it. Everyone, thank you so much for Cherry here. So, everyone, let me tell you something. Bruno, why are you here? That's enough for you. Why you bring a big with you? Oh, it's picking up the rubbish and clients. And remember, the big difference. Thank you for visiting us. Have a nice holiday. See you next time. And bye-bye. Sampai jumpa.
We're at a big cat show. This should be cool. I've never seen one.
Dewi Muda merupakan sakti dewa Siwa.
There he is.
Tigers are fast runner. They achieve short periods of 60 kilometers per hour. Everyone, did you know that the tigers can climb the trees?
I did not know that.
That's cool.
Tiger cubs readily climb trees and are known to chase monkeys up into the tree in an effort to catch food. However, it is difficult for the tigers to climb back down a tree. Therefore, they either crawl backwards or jump down from the tree, making them look clumsy. Villagers learned to respect and live with the tigers. But alas, it was too late.
Tiger.
That was cool to see those tigers. Oh man, it made me nervous for their keepers.